All right, guys, I just had one of the most amazing experiences of my life. So as you saw in the video, or as you will see, there was a lot of opportunities for photos. But I brought in a black background and was able to get some portraits. And boy, these portraits, just based on what I saw on the camera, are going to be some of the best I've ever done. So come along with this little ride and watch what happened. So we just arrived at the Kayan village. Should be a fun experience for all of us. We've all got our little sticks. Looks like it's a bit of a walk down. Yeah, just out of respect to them. To shoot it sideways like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. If you can videotape a little bit of me shooting her and then just pan from me to her for cert.
Okay.
And it's better to shoot horizontal, but beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys.
With this?
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure.
Just move your feet back and
Just
forth.
good enough?
Okay.
A little further back?
Tighten and
Tighten
a little
it.
bit behind you. There you go. Okay.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Hold on a second. There, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Let me show you. There you go, like that. There you go. Here you go. Cartoon crop. Thank you.
Okay. There's 3 sticks here. Hey, Julie. Yeah.
Get a little closer here. Very pretty. You like black and white, so I think it's
Yeah, very nice.
And ขึ้นไปยืนที่ปากประตูแล้วนะ okay.
You like the Colgate?
I'm going to have you move out for sure.
You can get the Colgate out of there, I think.
I
Yeah.
don't want you
I know it.
gorgeous.
Sure is.
You want the background, man?
Okay.
You
I'm
want the
gonna have her
background, man?
come out right here,
And
Okay.
ตรงไหน Where
and maybe like right there.
มาอยู่ตรงนี้
Yeah.
And we go behind her?
You go behind her. Sorry, it's short area. but-
Okay. No worries.
Sorry, guys.
เออนะ
These photos are gonna be freaking amazing. I'll share more with you guys.
This is beautiful. This is my.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, whoops. Take out the side for the wrinkle.
Thank you.
Yeah. Jan, can you back up just a little bit? Okay, you're fine, you're fine.
Oh, perfect. Let me show you.
and
Very pretty.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
เออ
Thank you so much. Yeah. You're beautiful. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Alrighty.
All right. Thank you. Bye bye. Appreciate it. Yeah. All right, I just ran down and bought a whole bag of scarves. They're such a good deal. Everyone's were running late. Put this on me right. We're running late. Haven't had lunch. It's 4 o'clock. We have temples to see before the sun goes down. And we still have to get back to Chiang Mai. Anyway. Oh, what a great adventure. Loving it. All right, later.